Hey guys, this is gonna be a little bit of a different intro than what I'm used to. No, this is not clickbait. No, this is not some type of way to get views to the channel. Me and Mech are not like that. We wouldn't lie on things like this. Yeah, like you guys saw in pretty much the title, the thumbnail, everything, my XC70R build is finished. It's over. It's totaled. It's not a lie. It's real thing. And I'll try to just go over what happened and explain to you guys what pretty much happened to us, because my girlfriend was with me. We're fine. We're not injured. Thank God. That's the important part. Other than that, it's material, but sometimes you get really attached to materials, and I was honestly looking forward to this build. You guys have no idea. This is a build that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, and to see it all crumple away in front of me is it's a tough one. It's a very tough one. I didn't even have time to make a video about the new wheels that we purchased and that we had installed. I installed the pegs on it, so the beautiful 17-inch. I literally didn't even have time to get home and do a video about it and show you guys before yeah. So here's the damage. Car's totaled. The insurance has confirmed it to me. The frame is crooked, if you guys can see now. Car drives crooked. I was able, thank God, to get a wheel on and bring the car back home where I could take all the parts off. But yeah, that was a let me just turn this up. That was a very big impact. All of this, guys, was right over here, where you see that line right behind here. It was all over here. Everything was there. So broke the muffler, bended the frame, and yeah, very, very bad. The door doesn't close in the back anymore. It's totaled. It's a complete total loss. It's not even like, whoops, let me lower this down. It's not even questionable. As soon as I did the claim to my insurance, the lady didn't even have time to like put the numbers in, and she said, oh, total loss. She was like, that's it. So rear glass shattered on impact. It was a big accident. I'll explain to you guys if you want what happened. There's not going to be any of the like, subscribe, guys. Honestly, I'm not in the mood to do any of that today. I'm sorry if, you know, I know you guys love the energy on the channel and how professionally some of our videos are filmed, but this one is just going to be, man, I'm happy to be alive, to be completely honest with you guys, and I owe everything to this car. It literally saved our life. This was a big accident, and the damage that's here does not represent the accident at all. I'll show you guys. I'll put a picture right here or a video right here of what happened. Well, what happened, a video of the event pretty much, and you guys will see the vehicle that hit us, which is unrecognizable now, was a Passat, Volkswagen Passat. Weirdly, it's my very first car that I've ever owned, a 2010 Volkswagen Passat with the DSG. It's my very first car as a teenager, and it's the car that ended one of my dream builds, unfortunately. And for the people saying, oh, you can always buy another one. Yes, of course, there's tons of XC70s out there, but there wasn't one with the history that this one has. And I'm not going to get into details because this comes down the line of friendship, and the car was mint, man. Everything was done on the car. The car had 445,000 kilometers. It was a beast. It drove like it was brand new. Everything was brand new on it. All-wheel drive, the holodeck system, the transmission was changed, everything, man. This car was meant to be a insane build. I didn't even have time to make a video for you guys to show you, but I purchased an S60R, well, a V70R front bumper. We were gonna do the front bumper conversion. We had the Brembos to install, the pegs which I had just installed. So it was gonna be a full V70R front end. It was gonna look amazing, guys. It was gonna be, man. Honestly, I think this would have been one of my best builds on the channel, on my side. Of course, when the S60R and the S80 V8 are gonna be done, they're gonna be incredible, but this is not something you see, man. Somebody turning an XC70 into a full spec R, not just the engine and the transmission, but every single, you know, aesthetic part. And And it's rough, man. And now the bigger problem is I have to find a new daily, and the car market right now is horrible. I've been searching for the last 4 days. This happened 4 days ago. I just took some time to make the video for you guys, and you know, not to go too mad. I was extremely mad when this happened. So basically what happened, we were on the highway. We're driving to go pick up my girlfriend's new daily / project car, which we'll reveal soon. It's gonna be a nice reveal. It's gonna be a beautiful car, guys, and I'm happy for her because I finally found her something that she very, very much likes. Her XC70, she wasn't too much in love with it, to be honest. She liked it because it was the beater. We paid dirt cheap for it, and we drove it like a madman, drove that car everywhere. But yeah, her new daily is gonna be nice, and we were on the way to pick up the daily, and traffic slowed down in front of us and came to a halt. So we slowed down and we came to a halt, and I was speaking to her about, oh yeah, don't forget to put the GPS, you know, I'm pretty sure of how we get there. I look in my rear view mirror and the person behind us never stopped. Was driving highway speed, so who knows, maybe hit us at 60-65 miles an hour, so 100-110 kilometers an hour. And I barely had time to put my arm over on my girlfriend so she doesn't go flying into the dash, even though she has a seatbelt. It's just a reflex. And I turned the steering wheel to the right because we were in the left lane, stopped, so I could, because we had some space. There was nobody on our right, there was people in front of us, but there was a little bit of space to the right. I didn't even have time to press on the gas, nothing. It happened literally like this, and the guy hit us. The impact was so hard, it sent us to do a full 360 on the highway. So we were stopped, guys, and I wouldn't lie on things like that. We were stopped on the highway, and he hit us so hard that we did a full 360. You guys will see on the video. I'll post the video right here that I took with my cell phone when it happened, before the insurance, of course. You guys can see how the car is placed. We were pretty much, you know, bumper to bumper, but he was behind our rear bumper. That's the traffic, how it's supposed to be. And we spun around, we did a full 360 outwards, and we ended up like that. So yeah, this is messed up, man. This sucks, and it's very, very, you know, cars for me, guys, and I don't really talk that much on the channel, and if you guys are bored of this video and things like that, I would completely understand. And if nobody really enjoys this video, and you know, this is not why I do this video. The YouTube channel has always been a build documentation, so to document our builds and to give you guys updates and to show you guys how to do the work at home. And I don't expect to make any money from YouTube, and it's just for fun. Me and Mech are doing this for fun, and yes, down the line we would love to be the most trusted Volvo, you know, channel on YouTube and all of that. Of course, that's our goal. But our goal is to have fun in the process and building these crazy cars, and to see one like this, such a special build like this, just go away. Thank God we hadn't gone further down the line, man. Thank God we hadn't installed the Brembos, we hadn't installed. So I had a V70R wing that I wanted to install on it. I had a body kit that I wanted to do for it. I wanted to do a front lip, a rear diffuser. I wanted to put a front and rear bumper of an S60R. I wanted to swap the engine and the transmission out of an S60R or a V70R to do an M66 swap. I wanted to have, you know, I wanted it to be a nice 350 horsepower wagon, you know, off-road. And I am so sorry, that was disgusting. And yeah, man, it's it all went away. I'll just drop you guys on the roof here so I don't have to hold you guys as much. And yeah, man, it's really rough, guys. It's not easy. It's like I said, it's definitely not a video that is easy to make. And now I don't know, I'll have to find a new daily. I'll have to find a way. I'll have to figure out what to do, and I don't know, it's gonna be a Volvo, that's for sure. Am I gonna have to spend more money to get it? You know, like, I don't know, because the market's messed up right now. We still have the V8, we took the V8 out of storage, you guys saw it. I just can't drive the V8 everywhere, it's very loud, and the laws here are pretty strict, so I don't wanna be an asshole and, you know, bother people at night and stuff like that. So it's a bit, the V8 was made to be a weekend car with the S60R. And yeah, I don't know if you guys have tips, tricks, or a certain model I should be looking for. I'm looking for everything. I would love an S60 T5, honestly. Manual T5, front wheel drive. They're nice, they make good power when you tune them and stuff like that. An S60 T6, a V60 T6 would definitely be a goal. I'm trying not to spend too much because we already have a lot going for the V8 and the S60R. You guys will see this summer. The S60R is going to be incredible, and I hope it all goes well because it's a couple of bad news back to back, and I don't want to get into, you know, personal life details, but it's just, it's a rough pass right now, and we'll get through it, that's for sure. But this definitely doesn't help. It was a nice car. So yeah, I'll show you guys the damage one last time, and we'll shut off the video to that. It was so yeah, you guys can see pretty much the angle of how he came. So we were basically stopped in traffic like that, and he came out. I had to turn the wheels to the right a little bit, so the car was angled a little bit to the right, and he said his brakes failed, which I don't believe. I think he was on his cell phone, he wasn't paying attention, and thank God he moved, because if he would have hit us straight on to the back, that would have been very painful. It kind of dissipated the energy, right? So he hit us on the side here and pretty much ate the side of the car. But the oh, I'm really sorry guys, the XC70 took it like a champ. It really did. And like I said, if you compare this damage to what the guy had, this is nothing, man. It did bend the frame, but you guys can see it here. It's all, let me raise this up. It's very much bent. The frame is supposed to be out here where my hand is, where my finger is. Look how much more bent it is inwards. It was a big impact. Folded all of the wiring harnesses, all of the above here is all done. The hitch is still there. It ripped the hitch from the frame here. So this part of the hitch right here is not connected to the frame anymore. Is a mega hit, man. Muffler. I think it needs some Viagra, boys. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. I know this was a build that you guys were excited for, and I've seen it with the views on the channel and the comments that on the TikTok as well, that you guys were very much enjoying this build, and I was as well. But all things must come to an end. I'm happy nobody got hurt. I'm happy that me and my girlfriend are safe. Neck pain, headache, that's about it. It really saved our life. They gave everything for us, so I brought it back home. I'm gonna swap all the parts out now before the insurance comes pick it up, because I might need it in the future. Who knows, if I find an S60 T5, we might do an S60 T5R. That makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to support or anything, all I'm asking is just subscribe, follow the channel, follow the social medias, and yeah, pray for me that I find a daily very fast, because I have 10 days of car rental, and I am not going to be dailying that beast over there, the V8. Hell no. That thing is way too loud to be dailied, and I don't want to rack up the miles. It's a clean example. We'll do a lot of stuff on the V8 this summer, that's for sure. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. And I don't want to do the outro, guys. I'm gonna be, I don't want to, you know, like, I don't want to make this sound like subscribe and stuff like that. Just thank you for watching. If you watched till the end, a 12-minute video of me bragging around and explaining the damage. But yeah, see you boys.